Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your video with silhouette effects in CapCut. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now choose your video, then tap on overlay. Here tap on add overlay. I'm going to choose this video with a man, and here I'm going to remove the background by tapping on remove BG. Now tap on adjust and then tap on contrast, and in here tap on curves, then lower it like this, and here you guys will find out a result like this. Then tap on filter and search blur. Here I'm going to use this filter. Then let's go back, and now you guys will find out your video like this. So this is how you guys can make your video with silhouette effects in CapCut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.